Good morning, students. In the last class, there was homework of 1 to practical question number 1 to question number 4. Hope you all have done. If you have any problem, you can ask me. Okay, for the amount of calculating interest on capital. In the question number 5th, now we are going to learn how to prepare partner's capital account and PL appropriation account. In the chapter in the question number 5th, we are seeing on 1st April 2018, A and B commenced business with the capital of rupees 6 lakh and 12 lakh, 2 lakh respectively. On 31st March 2009, the net profit before taking any amount provision of deed was rupees 2,40,000. Amount of profit is given, students, is rupees 2,40,000. Interest on capital is to be allowed 6% per annum. B was entitled to a salary 60,000. Interest on capital is giving 6% and interest salary 60,000 to B only. Okay, the drawing of the partner A and B 60,000 and 40,000 respectively. The interest on drawing for A being rupees 2,000 and 1,000 respectively. Means the drawing withdrawal by the amount withdrawal by the partner A by 60,000 and partner B by 40,000. And on these amount, the concern is charging interest on drawing 2,000 and 1,000 respectively. Assuming that A and B are equal partner, it means question is saying the profit or loss will be distributed in the ratio of equal ratio. Prepare PL appropriation account and partners capital account. Okay, my dear students, we will see in this question. First of all, we will prepare PL appropriation account as on 31st March. Okay, 31st March we will prepare. First of all, we will write the amount by PL account. Entry PL account debit to PL appropriation by PL account 2,40,000. Getting 2,40,000 by first entry will took place in PL appropriation account. By profit and loss account 2,40,000, whatever in the question is given. And then after we will calculate interest on drawing. In the question number 5th, the already amount of interest on drawing is given in the question. Okay, my dear student, on interest on drawing for A rupees 2,000 and for B rupees 1,000. The total amount of interest on drawing is 3,000. Okay, by interest on drawing by on A on B, A rupees 2,000 and on B rupees 1,000. The total amount 3,000. Okay, in the debit side. First of all, we will write to interest on capital. We will calculate interest on capital. To interest on capital. On A's capital, 6 lakh amount is given. 6 lakh into 6 by 100. 6%. By the rate of 6% we are giving. Interest on drawing will be calculated. 6 lakh into 6 by 100, 36,000. And on B's capital, 2 lakh into 6 by 100 will rupees 12,000. The total of both these amount will final column will consider in final column 48,000. Okay, my dear students, 48,000 interest on capital will be calculated. In the question saying B is getting salary. How much salary? 60,000 per month. To B's salary 60,000 per month. To B's salary 60,000 per month. You are saying here to B's salary 60,000 per month. Okay. After this, there is no any transaction is given, which we will consider under PL appropriation account. And now we will calculate the balancing amount of profit. See here, first of all we will add 2,40,000 plus 3,000, 2,43,000, and all from 2,43,000 we will deduct all these amount 48,000 and 60,000. 1,08,000 when we will deduct, then we will get 1,35,000. This is the remaining amount or balancing amount of capital. Okay, it will transfer in equal ratio to the partners capital account. The entry will be PL appropriation account debit to partners capital account, PL appropriation account debit to partners capital account 1,35,000, which will be distribute 67,500 and 67,500. Then PL appropriation account will be closed. Okay, and then after we have to prepare partners capital account. Partners capital account. In the question, after preparing PL appropriation account, we will prepare partners capital account. Okay, my dear students, first of all we will prepare the column under fluctuating capital method. In the question you can see here under fluctuating capital method. Under fluctuating capital, as we know that only one account we will open, that will be partners capital account. Okay, the first of all we will prepare partners capital. Column of prepare partner, there are two partners, two column, particulars A and B, particulars A and B. There will be no column of any date. Okay, so next first transaction, buy balance BD. My dear students, buy balance BD, whatever amount of balance in the question there is given, that will be transferred in the column of partners. Okay, the first partner A and second partner B. The amount of capital is given 6 lakh of A in the column of A, and the rupees 2 lakh in the column of B, in the column of B will transfer. Okay, buy balance BD, the amount of capital is given. Please see in the question. Second, buy interest on capital. Buy interest on capital. What we are saying, buy interest on capital. Okay, my dear students, buy interest on capital already we have calculated in the PL appropriation account. Buy interest on capital 36,000 and 12,000. I am saying 6 lakh into 6 by 100, 36,000, 2 lakh into 6 by 100, 12,000. Getting you all? Buy B's salary. B is getting salary and he will get what? 60,000. B is getting 60,000. Only in the column of B we will write. A is not getting, we will not write in the column of A. Buy B salary. B salary in the column of B, rupees 60,000. Okay, and in the column of, in the debit side, in the column, the partner are withdrawing amount for their personal use. In the true drawing 60,000 and 40,000. 60,000 and 40,000 the amount of drawing. To interest on these amount we will calculate interest on drawing. To interest on drawing 2,000 and 1,000 is given in the question already. Both items are given, and then after we will find out the balances of the capital partners capital account. Okay, for these amounts 6 lakhs, 36,000 and 67,400. It means it will come, whatever the balances will come, 6,41,500, 6,41,500, and in this question 2,98,500 in the column of B, balances of B's partners capital account. Okay, my dear students, again I am saying first of all we will prepare PL appropriation account, and then after we will prepare partners capital account. Okay, in PL appropriation account we can see these transactions we will put under PL appropriation account. First of all by PL, and then after interest on drawing, means whatever will the gain for the concern, that we will write this side, and if the whatever we are using to that amount of profit we will write this side. Okay, getting you all? Are the profit this side, incoming and outgoing of amount of profit, we will write this side. Okay, and then after balancing of PL appropriation account, we will prepare partners capital account, and then we will calculate by this way. Okay, my dear students, by this way we can calculate PL appropriation and partners capital account. Okay, thank you for today.